Hey guys, so today we're just gonna see how my treatments have been working on my scars.
Majesty, on
TCA.
I'm gonna take this and give you
a princess.
Hey guys, how's your week been? I'm really sorry if this whole healing process is taking a long time, but I do have some good news.
So I decided to do another microneedling treatment while I wait for my skin to heal for my 4th TCA session. So here's a quick before of the hyperpigmentation for the results later on. Before you forget, please like this video and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more of this content. It will really help me and for my channel to grow and be able to reach more people with my own experiences when it comes to acne and scarring. If you are new to my channel and you want to see a more detailed procedure of my microneedling, I will link my other videos down below. Most importantly, if you haven't seen my latest TCA Cross session, click on that video as well. So I'm just going to be moisturizing my face with the MIZON Snail cream that I've been using. And I'm using a serum, a hydrating serum. Whenever I do my microneedling, I make sure to be even more extra on my skincare. So this is just a regular moisturizer, my VANICREAM Moisturizer, and I'm gonna apply the sea buckthorn serum with it. Just gently pat it on your face. I just know and realize that whenever I use the sea buckthorn oil on my face, every time after I microneedle, it just really helps heal my face even faster. And I rarely use tamanu oil, but this one really helps with the scarring as well. And of course, do not forget your Vaseline. I apply that everywhere on my eyebrows and my lashes because it helps it grow. And this is how my face looks. So this is actually a really good photo progress of how my face has been. And I gotta say, it's really worked.
Today we're going to be pretty much talking about how my skin has been since my 3rd session, and to be honest, there's really not much difference. The redness has gotten down a lot, but this part, it's just not going away. Yeah, it's still there. The redness has gotten down on that part, but I don't even know. I feel like I overdid that part, so we're just gonna have to wait. I don't even know how long. We're probably gonna need to do a whole face peel first, and then we can continue on the TCA Cross. I feel like on my 4th or 5th session, it's gonna be the TCA Cross with 80%. So we're gonna hope to see better changes by next year. But yeah, I actually started breaking out on my chin right here. I do think it's because the TCA Cross has been opening up my pores due to the changes in my skin, but it's for a good reason, because the bacteria is somehow, you know, coming out, I guess. I don't know. But I even have some blackheads right here. You can see that? And right there. So let's just hope for improvement by probably 2 more sessions, or 2 to 3 more sessions. But so far I've only been using, I followed the lady who responded to my messages about the redness, and she told me to get the hydrocortisone, the 1%. And I've been putting this twice a day, in the morning and at night. So when I'm going to work in the morning, I put it on my face, and then before I sleep I put it on. And I'm using the, I don't even know, but this was from my doctor. So I've been using that as an additional spot treatment for this area right here. Only because I feel like the skin is just not getting any better, so I feel like it needs that extra boost. So I've been using that. Other than that, I've been using the same products and just really taking care of my skin and trying to heal it in any way possible. So I actually used this a couple days ago. I would use it from time to time when I feel like it's very red. I feel like it doesn't really do much anymore at this point because the skin is just not healing properly. So I feel like it just needs that antibiotic to kind of get rid of the irritation. I've just been using the hydrocortisone and this one. So I only use the ointment at night before I sleep. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something on this session. Comment down below for any questions, any suggestions. All of the links for the products that I've been using are gonna be down below. Not unless you need prescription to get them. Thank you guys so much for being patient with my results, and I will post more content as soon as I can. Thank you. Baboosh.
Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you like and subscribe for more. And I will see you guys next time.